God's servants. This poem is dedicated to Kuya Daniel Razon, who plays an important role in our lives. As a servant of God, it is written for an overwhelming feelings needed to be expounded through art of writing, as a way of giving thanks to God for the opportunity given up to us to be inside the church and to be with His man who was sent to us. Thanks be to God. The poem goes like this. Will always be glad to see the face of person who opens blinded eyes, the one who teaches that love needs sacrifice, and helping us to consider and understand. To be a man means to accept that all of us have our own struggles, and in Lord's eyes, we are all fragile. Being strong is being steadfast, not with our own knowledge, nor with anyone's education, but by wisdom of God's words. We thank God for giving you in the midst of God's nation, for helping Brother Relly, for being you, our kuya, our friend, our brother Daniel. Thanks be to God.